What's going on, guys? Joel Robinson here, and in this video we're shooting Ghost Spirit from Raccoon Fireworks. I saw ghosts in the name, and of course being a raccoon cake, I got really excited because I love ghost effects, and you'll see right here, both with this picture and the description, it's got ghost mine. So I'm really excited to see this one shot off in person. You'll see it's 32 shots, 35 seconds in duration. Obviously it's a fan. And just some little background on ghost effects. They really have only been on the consumer market in the United States for the last couple of years. My first time seeing it was 2017 in Japan in professional fireworks. Been in love with any type of ghost effect ever since. So I might be hyping this one up a lot, but I'm personally really excited to see it. Let me know if you guys enjoy this cake in the comments. Let's go shoot it off. Ooh, nice mines. Let's go down. Yes. Those are the ghost mines.